My name is Jerry Knoll. I'm a development lead on the Volume Licensing Service Center website. That's an internet-facing website which allows Microsoft customers to get license information. And one of the main things they do there is download Microsoft products and get the keys needed for those products. So my team, I lead a development team that's responsible for building these websites for the Volume Licensing Service Center. And in that role, we build internet-facing websites which connect to services and databases. And those services and databases allow customers to get their license information about Microsoft products. And most of the time, our customers spend 80% of their time downloading Microsoft products and getting the software keys needed for those products. The one thing I really like about Microsoft is it's constantly changing technologically, and there's always challenges in that technology. And the cool thing about most of the time is that you're always doing something that helps a customer's life better. Because in the end, that's what it's about, is delivering software that customers really love to use. And that's the thing I've found the most fun at Microsoft. I mean, I've been here 15 years, and I've worked on many different software projects. Fundamentally, it's small teams, but it's always about shipping good things to customers and seeing how they like it. If they don't like it, you get another ship cycle, you get the opportunity to change it, make it better. The other thing I like about working for Volume Licensing is that since we ship every month, there's something always happening. Every month, you'll never get bored. There's always working on new products. We're always shipping those products. We're always learning new technologies, and that just keeps your mind sharp and your job interesting. One of the other fun things is, of course, we work with a lot of smart people, and those smart people actually push you along in certain areas, so you're always being challenged by smarter people in the group. There are opportunities for you to lead in cases where you might have a particular feature that you're leading, and you might design that feature and bring it to market, present to the team, and so all those are fun kind of challenges for you to do. The Volume Licensing team in general has quite a broad set of different applications. We have some groups focused just on infrastructure. We have some groups inside of Volume Licensing that are just focused on understanding how to build technologies that are in the cloud. We have some people that are just focused on databases, from transactional databases to cubes, and other doing business intelligence with databases. So we're constantly have many groups, even inside of Volume Licensing, that you have a chance to interact with and influence their products. So generally we have several software development types of positions open, ranging from database, DBA types of people, to web service people who like to build web services. And in my team, people who really want to build the leading edge UIs for the web tier. So if you have general background in Visual Studio, .NET, WCF, we even have WPF style applications for the internal facing tooling. So I mean, if you can pick a .NET technology that you're really jazzed about, or a SQL Server technology that you're jazzed about, I'm sure we have openings for you. The things that are most interesting to me in terms of interviewing people are honesty. Because if you tell me you understand a technology, I'm going to drill into it in my code reviews or my interview questions, and I'll quickly find out whether you know what you're talking about or not. So the smart thing is to be honest about your experience, because in the end we're trying to place people where they will succeed. And so the interviewing process is an opportunity to find the best talent, but also have that talent be put into positions where we know they will succeed and actually lead us in directions maybe we hadn't thought of ourselves. So it's kind of a combination thing. We want to understand you have the technical capacity and ability to do the job we know we have in front of you. And we want to know that you're going to be able to have the soft skills to be able to collaborate across the team boundaries needed to make it happen. I can honestly say I've worked Microsoft for many years now, and I've never been bored. It's always been an exciting place to work, and I know if you accept a position at Microsoft, you're going to feel the same way. There's just constantly learning new technologies, constantly having opportunities to influence bigger and bigger teams, and in the end satisfy your customer.